So my topic is all about different kinds of plastic arts. So I know na ako'y makapareha ani, which is sa among grupo na si John Kyle, because different kind of plastic arts is na siya 9 parts. So ang kaning 5 parts is si John Kyle ang madiscuss ani. So kaning 5 is mauni ang architecture, landscape architecture, city planning, interior design, and craft. So ako mag-discuss sa upat, which is industrial design. So what is industrial design? Industrial design is a strategic problem-solving process that drives innovation, provides a more optimistic way of looking at the future by reframing problems as opportunities. So, industrial design isn't just about making things look pretty, but it's about understanding how people use things and then making them easier or more enjoyable and more useful. So it's like a detective figuring out a mystery, but instead of glue, instead of mga clue, they are looking at how people interact with the world. So here's 5 steps, mga 5-step sa pagsulbad sa problems, or kaning isa nga problems, which is jeep, about just a jeep, right? So one siya, ang first step is ang pag-focus sa problem. Pag-focus sa problem. So first, you gotta figure out what the problem is. So unsa man gyud ang problema? So it's like asking yourself, what's bugging people? What about this thing? For example, sa crowded kanang jeepney sa sulod ba, and init kaayo din ha. So the problem is the jeepney doesn't have good air conditioning. So ang problema sa jeepney is kanang ang air conditioning nila is dili kaayo siya kanang dili siya kanang good. So mag-imagine, so mo siya ang step 2. Mag-imagine ka og kanang solution. Imagine ka diri. Now it's time to get kanang creative. Saan man ni pagtarong, saan man solution. So what kind of solution can we came up with? So for example, maybe you imagine a jeepney with a cool solar powered fan. So that keeps everyone cool and comfortable. So mao na imong gi-imagine na solution, imo kang solar powered fan. So aron ta sa step 3, paghimo og mga disenyo. So aron na ka sa design the solution. Aron na ka sa design the solution. So this is where the industrial designer skills come in. So industrial designer they use their knowledge of materials and technology and user experience and creative design that both practical and aesthetic. So for example they might design a fan that's small, lightweight, and efficient, so it doesn't take up too much space in the cheap. So they might also make it look stylish and kanang modern. So mo na siya ang industrial design. So proceed ka sa kanang dress design. So this dress design is involved siya creating a new version or new style for garments, like when a designer make a new fashion line or update an old style. So kanang mag-create sila o kanang stylish o trends nga clothes na ipakita sa mga fashion shows kani or kanang mga other events like kanang weddings, parties, or like kanang formal occasions. So dress design it's all about fashion trends, experimenting with fabrics, colors, or anything gamit to make something that look good and fits the latest fashion standards. So in short, dress design, it's about making clothes fashionable and wearable. So mao na siya ang dress design. Proceed punta sa costume design. So costume designs is naka-focus siya on creating clothing and accessories for kanang characters in movies, like kanang sa TV shows or sa panang performance. So sa costume design, ang designer is dili lang nag-focus sa kanang aesthetic o dili lang nag-focus sa aesthetic, kundi magtanaw pud siya sa kanang unsa ang character development o kanang storytelling nga gikinahanglan sa kanang character. Storytelling ang gikinahanglan sa character. For example, ang costume design is usa ka kanang superhero movie na kinahanglan ipakita ang identity, ang role, ug ang kanang personality sa character. So ang mga costume is kanang mao ang visual representation sa mga character, makatabang mga characters ang mga costume is kanang mao ang visual kanang representation sa character na makatabang sila sa paghatag og visual mga clue kung unsa ang pagkatao or status or emotion sa usa ka character. So it's not just about making clothes. So it's about po siya helping tell the story. So mao na siya ang kanang costume design. So proceed na punta sa theatre design. So theatre design is the art and technique of designing and building a space for theatre performance. So wala ni mag-focus lang sa costume or set design, but more on creating an environment na makahatag og kanang immersive experience para sa audience. Ang theatre designer is magplano kung unsaon ang kanang lighting, stage layout, and kanang props. So sa usa ka production aron mag-make kanang the performance more engaging. So ang theatre designs involves collaborating with other people like directors or actors to make sure ang stage set and visual elements will complement the story. So complement story nga ipakita sa kanang stage. So theatre design, it's all about creating a space na maghatag og dramatic effect and amplify the emotion of the play or kanang performance. So kung atong i-summary ang all topic na akong discuss is kanang each of these disciplines has a different focus, but they all share the common goal of using creativity to solve problems, right? So and make the world more functional or enjoyable, whether it's through product designs, fashion, character costumes, or creating space for performance. So that's all to my topic, and I hope naka-understand naman sa akong gi-discuss. Thank you.